Ready to dive headfirst into the thrilling world where digital art meets the Solana blockchain using your Phantom Wallet? First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed in your browser or the app downloaded on your phone. This is your secure gateway to the Solana ecosystem. Now head over to a popular Solana NFT marketplace. Magic Eden, Tensor, or Solcia are all great options. Connect your Phantom Wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button usually found in the top right corner. Phantom will prompt you to authorize the connection. Review the permissions, and if everything looks good, click Connect. This allows the marketplace to interact with your wallet. Browse the available art, find a piece that speaks to you, and click on it to view its details. When you are ready to buy, click the Buy Now button. Phantom Wallet will pop up again, displaying the transaction details, including the price and any transaction fees. Double-check everything. If all looks correct, confirm the transaction in your Phantom Wallet. Once confirmed, give it a few moments to process on the blockchain, and congratulations, you now own a Solana NFT. It should appear in your Phantom Wallet under the NFTs tab. Explore third-party apps like SolScan or Step Finance to track your NFT portfolio and analyze market trends, all while seamlessly connecting with your Phantom Wallet. Happy collecting!